Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a tags field in your Payload CMS. So you can easily assign multiple tags to your post, just like how you've seen on blogs or news sites. Here is a quick example of Medium. If you scroll at the bottom, you will see tags. You can see these all are tags. So in this video, I will show you how to create that inside Payload CMS. So let me open the VS Code. Inside VS Code, you see you have a collection folder. Inside collection folder, let's create a tags file. So new file and name it tags.ts like this. Okay. So let's import first collection config. Import collection config from payload. Import authentication. We need authentication as well. Authenticated like this, and then we need to import any one, and then last import slug field, and I need to export const tags and give it a type collection config. Inside this we will write slug will be tags. This is for payload, and inside this axis object we need to have create to authenticated and delete authenticated as well. Then we have read set to anyone and date with it like this. So we have tags. Now we will tell Payload CMS how to use this field inside the admin bar. I mean how to display this field is inside the admin bar. So you need to create an admin object. Inside admin object you will use as title, name, then you will have fields array. Inside fields array you will have name equal to name and type equal to text. Okay, that's it. At the end we will just spread the slug field and give it the name. The reason we are giving it to name because by default it uses title for creating for generating slugs, but we have given our field name. That's why we are using name on both the places, inside use as title as well as for generating slugs. So if you rename it to title, then you have to also give it title here, but if you don't pass title here it will be title by default, but I'm okay with the name, so that's why I'm going back with name. Let me put the object over here. Okay, this is the things that so finally we have created our tags field. Now we need to import this inside the build config. So just scroll at the bottom, go to the payload config. Here you can see all your collections type has been imported here, so you have to import the tags as well here. Side import tags. You can see inside auto completion. Now we will pass these tags. So this was the second step, and I think there's something wrong here. It has not been imported correctly, so let's fix it. Fields. Okay. Okay, so you have to import the slug field from the payload. Import slug field from the payload like this. Okay, so let it compile. Let me fix these errors. Okay, so let's fix this issue first. More categories rather than you need to pass field to use. We will say it will be name and overrides. Yes. Yeah, that's it. So let's refresh. So as you can see, we already have tags here. So now let's create some new tags. React.js. Okay, you can see the slug had auto-generated. And let's create another one. We will say web development. Save. And then we will create third one. Payload CMS. Hmm. So right now we have tags, but this tags is yet not linked with the post. So this is the third steps, linking tags with post. So let me show you how you can link tags with post as well. Inside the VS Code, you need to go inside your post and open your index.ts. Once you open index.ts, you need to just add an empty object here. Enter name of the field that will be visible in admin area. We will say it will be tags. Okay, and the type will be text. Okay, sorry, the types will not be text. Actually, it will be a relationship, and you need to tell payload where it will be visible inside the admin area. So we will say position to sidebar, and user can add as many tags as they want with any post. So we will say has many is equal to colon true, and then we have relation to with tags like this, and whether it will be required or not. So I will say required is equal to true. So it will be a required field. If you not put any value here, it will throw an error. So that's why. So if you don't want that behavior, you need to set it false. But I will go with true. So we are getting some warning. Okay, I will press Y. Now inside the post, you can see here we already have tags. So we can assign as many tags as we want. We can even create a new one from here, and it will be say, let's say it be a JavaScript. So now we have JavaScript as well. Let's publish this change, but this field will not be visible on the front end because we need to configure the front end as well to make it work. So let me show you the front end. Let me check it. Okay, so we will display those tags just below the authors here. So let's destructure that tags as well. Tags like this, and we need to map over it. So we have rendered our tags. So let me show you the front end. Okay, so we are getting our tags here. You can choose the location, whether you want to display here at the top or at the bottom. It's your choice. I am just demonstrating you that how you can render those tags. Okay, so this is how you will create tags inside the Payload CMS, and this is how you will display it. One thing I want to make sure that please check what version of Payload CMS you are using. Right now I was getting some error because of this latest version. In older version, this is not how you configure slug. I remember they use something like this. This was the syntax. They are spreading the slug field and then passing the custom name field to use inside that. So they have changed it. So please make sure that you are using the latest version. I'm right now using the latest version. So this is the syntax that you will use to render slug.